Ma'am, reiterate niyo rin po ba yung allowing private prosecutors to examine witnesses sa comment ninyo?
Allowed naman po yan. That is allowed in the Senate rules that the private prosecutors, kami po, under the control of and supervision of the public prosecutors, is allowed to present witnesses.
Ma'am, but the defense is opposing that, di ba?
We leave it to the trial court, no? Kasi impeachment trial court. Kasi malinaw na malinaw sa Senate rules na private prosecutors are allowed in the presentation of evidence.
Trial of the century, presentation of trial of the century.
Po,
Trial of the century.
this is the trial of the century. Sana itong trial of the century hindi mag-last ng isang century.
Ma'am, may presentation of witness po ba sa Monday or wala pa po?
Opening arguments, pero ang first day of trial, ang first day sa kalendaryo ng impeachment court is 3 days next week, 6, 7, 8 ang presentation of prosecution witness. Pero nakalagay rin sa impeachment rules, Senate impeachment rules na there will be opening statement from the prosecution and an opening statement from the defense.
So sa Monday, meron po or wala pong presentation of witnesses?
We are ready to present our evidence on Monday.
Present 3 witnesses.
Ang rule dyan is 1 witness a day. There's
Ilan
a
po yung
1 witness.
nasubmit niyo na po na list of witnesses for next week?
We cannot disclose, no? It's a matter of strategy.